Hey guys, Brian here. Welcome back to the channel. And I'm sorry I haven't made a few videos in a while. I've still been feeling kind of sick, but let's go over everything that's going on in the market again because Palantir is ripping. It had a crazy gap fill up, and we will talk about that, what I'm doing. I have a few leaps on it, which are like up 400%. And I recently bought another 100 shares of Tesla, which I'll talk about what I'm going to do with that as well. So before we get into it, remember, if you want to support the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That helps me out a lot. If you want to check out my free trades and all that, check out the links down below. You'll see a Discord for Clockout Capital. That's me and my friend, where we show our trades. I just pretty much focus on wheel strategy and leaps. He does a lot of put credit spreads and all that as well. So you get to learn from two pretty cool people that have been doing this for a long time. So let's jump right in my desktop really quick right here. And here we are. So we could look at Palantir. And like the earnings came out amazing and crazy gap upward from 85 all the way to 100. So I actually think it's crazy overbought right now, but who knows what we could see from this. Like it's been on like a steady incline. We thought a consolidation going down, and my son is screaming in the background. But I have leaps on this. I wish I had all my shares still. I sold a lot at like 80 and 60, and I have some leaps at 37 and at $10. Those are up 400%. Well, 400% for the $10 one, and like 200 something percent on the 37. So I'm up thousands of dollars, and it weighs on me because I could just take the profits and run, but I do feel like Palantir has always been a $100 stock. So why would I get rid of my time frame when I could potentially make even more money over like the next year over those leaps? So what I might do though is when there is a significant pullback, I will end up buying a few hundred shares and start doing the wheel on it, because I do believe Palantir is going to be one of those stocks that you can wheel consistently over and over again. And that's what I did initially. And then I focused my attention on Tesla and Nvidia and Coinbase. But I might be going back to Palantir on this. And if you want to look at Tesla, because that's one of the plays I've been doing, and I just said like I bought 100 more shares at 386, which perfectly fine. Obviously, if you look at the Bollinger Bands here, it's been going up and down over my my midline here of the Bollinger Bands and my MA line. So it's unpredictable, volatile as always. So I did a cash secured, no, a covered call at 397. So as the week goes, I might actually bring it almost right down to my cost basis for those 100 shares I just bought at 386. I might just put it like 387.5 just to make sure that if it does go past it on Friday, I'll make 150 bucks profit on top of the premium I gained. And if it goes below that, then obviously I can try to figure out what's the best case scenario for me to make as much more premium as possible. So I made like 670 or something from the initial play, and then I can make another like 300 somewhere in this area. So that's almost $1,000 off of the 100 shares that I just bought. And we will see how the play goes, because now I have around 300 or 400 shares of Tesla. And this has been my moneymaker for the wheel. And I feel like it's going to be consistently doing that. I'm very bullish on it. I think it's a $500 stock. And just obviously the volatility, people selling out to put their money in Palantir. The money flows in and out of these type of stocks. So I'm not too worried about it. And that's exactly what I'm going to do, because like if you want to look at, like if I bought another 100 of Palantir shares right now, what I would probably do is like immediately do a covered call, but I would probably just do cash secured puts right now at, what's it, 105. So I'd probably put it at like $100, get 137 bucks for the week, like for 3 days worth. That's a 10% gain. No, it's not like a 1% gain. 1% gain, yeah, pretty sure 133 divided by 100,000. Yeah, 1% gain on the week, which isn't bad because you can do this 4 times. They made 4%. You know, that's how you got to look at it. Because the 4% rule, that's how people retire, right? And then if you want to look at Tesla, so like I said, I have those 100 shares. So call. I could put it super close. I'd have to buy back the one that I already have at 397. So that's so 435. And then if I put it closer to like 387, I get $300 profit of the premium. So that's not bad if I put it right there. And that is a delta of 45%. Not bad. And that just consistently making money. And that's what I always talk about with the wheel, is that you have to be okay with selling with the strike prices you're choosing. You're not just choosing these strike prices because you're like, oh man, I like that number. You have to do it by the delta. You have to do it by, if it goes there, am I cool with buying the shares at that price? And if you are, then great. That's a great strike price for you. Is it a discounted rate? Great. That's a great strike price for you. Same with the opposite. If it goes up, are you cool with the amount of profit you would get from the appreciation, or are you looking for more? So that's how you have to play the wheel strategy, and that's how I personally play it. I'm all about taking profits off the table, taking money off the table, and that's how you could guarantee wins for yourself. Like most of the time. And that's what I like to teach. That's what I like to do. Like the whole point is building the accounts. And if you're not taking money off the table, you're leaving yourself to the fluctuations of the market. And some days you'll be up, some days you'll be down. But if you never took the profits off the table, you never had it at all. That's how I look at it. Yeah, taxable events, whatever. The whole point is to build, right? And that's how I play the game. That's how I play money. So let me know what you guys think. This is what I've been personally doing to make, like, if you look at my Discord, I made already here. I'll show you it really quick. Oh my gosh. If you look at my Discord, I made already over 2,100. So 18 plus 639 plus 249. $2,200 this week, and I could probably add another $300 on top here just from rolling down. So I can make 2,500 on the week. And guys, that's what I've been consistently doing in the market. Like that's how I'm making close to $10,000 a month in the market building these portfolios. So once you figure out your strategy, hone in on it, be disciplined, don't scatterbrain yourself trying to figure out other ways to make more money. Once you figure it out, the strategy that works best for you, for me, it's the wheel strategy. Once you hone in on it, master it, and you're going to do just fine. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Peace.